Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video in which you will get great knowledge about Forex trading. Today we are trading US dollar versus Japanese yen. Today we will get a very good buying trade opportunity in which we will generate very good profit. Here I am applying trade as per my risk. You should also know your risk before taking the trade. See you guys a little later. Guys, we have $5,000 in this account. Currently our loss is around $180. Let's see how much we can grow from it. We are using proper risk management here. If you want to calculate the proper lot size according to your losses, a link to the position size calculator is given in the description box. From there you can do proper risk management. The market is currently following this trend line where the market is going up, taking proper support. In future also we can see support points on this trend line here. The market is moving in a strong uptrend. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. Whenever the market has come near this trend line, we have seen resistance points being created. The market is currently moving up, creating higher high, higher low points inside this trend channel. The market has just taken support at the trend line. Our entry here was at the right time and at the right place, so that we can do risk management well. Till now our trend channel is working perfectly. Now we have to do further analysis, so that we can get more buying signals here. We will draw strong support resistance level. At this level we will see multiple support resistance points from where the market has repeatedly reversed. This is a strong reversal level of the market. Multiple resistance points have been created at all these points, which are strong reversal points. All these reversal points have been created at the same level. Here the market first created resistance points and later broke this level and created support points, due to which a resistance become support pattern has been created here. This pattern follows a strong uptrend. High probability chance the market will go up from here as the market has taken support from strong level as well as the trend line, due to which we are getting confidence that the market can move up from here. Our analysis work has been completed here, which is going in the right direction. The market is following all our levels very well. Guys, here our profit is above $200. The market has started going up. If our analysis is correct, then we can make good profit. Here I am closing some trades in profit because I want to place more buy stop orders here. As the market goes up, our profit will increase. Here I am managing the trade according to proper risk. Now let us place a buy order. The market has started moving in our direction. Guys, we have properly placed the buy order, which is clearly visible to you in the chart. As the market goes up, our orders will be executed. Now we place stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be above the trend channel and below the strong support resistance level. If there is a trend line breakout here, then our stop loss will be hit, and the target point will be at the new higher high level where the market can create new higher high point. We will hold all the trades till this level. Guys, our current account is of $5,104, which we are trying to grow. If the market gives us loss here, then it is not our fault. Guys, there is no work left for us now. We have done the analysis correctly and we will definitely get good results. You will see stop loss and target points on the chart. We will not close the trade until either one is hit. Here we will need a lot of discipline because only through this we will achieve our goal. We cannot grow our account unless we follow the correct process in the market. Let's see how the market reacts to our setup. See you guys a little later.
I got dreams, wanna go fast. Know this energy's here to last. Not a glass half full, overflow that. Gotta keep your eyes up on the prize. Only got one life, so it's worth a try. To find what makes you feel alive. That's the only way to live it right. No, I'm sorry. And now we're all doing our own thing, but I'll never forget our glory days. My mind is...
Guys, our target was hit very well as we expected. At the time of analysis here, the market respected our setup. Because our analysis was correct, we achieved our target easily. This target was achieved after a long time. For this we had to have a lot of patience, which was a difficult task. Our target was at this level, which was hit some time ago. Here the market has created a big candle wick, which shows that sellers are sitting here. Here we will do some further analysis, which will show that this is a strong resistance level of the market. After we applied the trade, the market consolidated for a long time. At this level the market again took support and moved upwards. This level of ours was a strong level which the market could not break. At this level the market has created multiple resistance points. Now the market is trying to break this level here. We are seeing a very good consolidation pattern, which was created by the market after applying our trade. The market kept roaming in this consolidation zone for a long time. Now the market is trying to get out of this zone. Our goal has been achieved. Now we should close the trade. Guys, our profit is more than $5,300. We have doubled our account. If our analysis is correct, then no one can stop us from making profit, because true psychology develops only through proper analysis. If you like this video, then please like it. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.